How many hours have you wasted drafting proposals that feel like a jigsaw puzzle missing half the pieces? Scope creep, vague pricing, and risk management gaps shouldn't keep you up at night. Our consulting proposal pack gives you scope definition frameworks like RACI matrices, value based pricing models with tiered deliverable tiers, risk assessment matrices with probability impact scoring, and client communication playbooks for stakeholder alignment. Whether you're a management consultant pitching digital transformation, an IT advisor scoping cybersecurity engagements, or a freelance strategist bidding on RFPs, this is your toolkit. Spoiler alert, clients might start thinking you've got a PhD in proposal whispering. Here's what's inside the consulting proposal pack: scope definition with stakeholder mapping frameworks, dynamic pricing calculators with break even analysis, risk mitigation worksheets using Monte Carlo simulation templates, deliverables tracking with Gantt integrated timelines, client presentation decks with embedded ROI calculators. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just a template pack, it's your proposal command center. Installing the consulting proposal pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add consulting-proposal-pack. That's it. You'll get 15 plus proposal templates with autofill placeholders, risk assessment matrices with conditional formatting, and pricing calculators that update in real time. Your next Claude code session will auto detect the pack, and your AI assistant now speaks fluent proposalese. Think scope creep prevention, value articulation, and negotiation tactics. Warning: may cause jealousy from colleagues who still use Word's default templates.